So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to the Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to the Daily Call. Today we're going to talk about how the option experts short volatility. So there's really two main ways to short volatility in a portfolio. The first way is to choose a volatility product. So that's probably the easiest way that most institutions, as well as many personal traders or many portfolio traders, choose to gain exposure to shorting volatility, and they do it through these volatility products. Now, it could be things like VIX, VXX, UVXY, etc. And each of these products have their own differences, which we've covered actually in a couple episodes just previously to this. With these volatility products, it's an easy way for institutions to gain broad-based exposure to volatility in general. And so they can easily move in and out of these products as needed. They can add volatility exposure or they can reduce volatility exposure. The second way to add short volatility exposure is to short option premium. Now, this is, I would say, not necessarily a preferred way to go about it with large institutions because they have to allocate a lot of money to different positions. But as retail traders or semi-retail traders, if you're even trading a large portfolio or a portfolio with clients in it, this is a great way to gain exposure to short volatility because you can spread your risk across many different asset classes and industries, and you're not pigeonholed into the volatility products themselves, which are usually tied to the broad-based markets. So my opinion is that short option premium is one of the best ways that you can short volatility because you have the advantage of spreading your risk again across these different industries and sectors. So what they would typically do is they would sell short premium via option strategies like straddles, strangles, iron butterflies, iron condors, and credit spreads, as well as short single leg option contracts. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on the Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on the Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.